The City of Missoula hosted a walk with the EPA around the Old Sawmill District to highlight what they say is a success story for the Missoula Brownfields program. Now, this program provides grants to the city to give former industrial and commercial properties some new life. In 2006, the City of Missoula used a $1.7 million loan from Brownfields for a cleanup project that was completed in 2014. And that project is now home to a 14-acre riverfront park and extended Wyoming Street, which now boasts of everything from restaurants to apartments. City officials, though, say they're still looking ahead.
So what we see now in 2023 is the result of the cleanup being complete in 2014. And so there's still a lot of parcels of property that are still in development phases. So there's still 5, 10, 20 years, I'm sure, of plants that will fill the entirety of this property.
The Old Sawmill District has seen more than $100 million in private investment since this revitalization project began.